Welcome to the best pick. The Best Frozen Beauty Kit is probably one of the most enchanting and sought-after gifts for any young fan of Arendelle, transforming playtime into a magical journey of self-expression and imaginative storytelling, allowing children to explore their creativity with safe, non-toxic makeup and accessories inspired by Elsa and Anna, making every moment feel like a royal adventure. Number 5. ATK Cookbooks, Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Discover a world of culinary fun with this amazing book. It's designed specifically for aspiring young chefs like you, making baking an exciting adventure. Inside, you'll find more than 100 sweet and savory recipes. From delightful desserts to tasty treats, there's something for every craving. This book is crafted to be easy to follow and fun for kids. It teaches essential baking skills in a simple, engaging way. You'll love creating these dishes, sharing them with family and friends, and, of course, eating your delicious creations. It's a rewarding experience from start to finish. Whether you prefer cookies, cakes, or savory snacks, this guide has you covered. It offers a wide range of options to explore and master. Get ready to create amazing food and impress everyone with your new skills. This is your ultimate companion for culinary exploration. What we like. This offers a wide range of recipes for culinary exploration. If you are looking for a fun, educational activity, this is perfect. It's ideal for aspiring young chefs to explore and develop their cooking skills. What people say. Number 4. Disney Frozen Makeup Set for Girls by Townley Girl. Introducing the perfect gift for every young fan of Frozen. This delightful makeup set is designed to inspire creativity and fun. Inside, you'll find a collection of enchanting items. It includes vibrant lip glosses that add a touch of sparkle to any look. Next, discover the dazzling glitter eyeshadows. These allow her to create magical eye looks, just like her favorite characters. Complete the look with the radiant glitter blush. It adds a lovely glow, perfect for any occasion. And to apply it all with ease, a set of high-quality brushes is included. They are soft, easy to use, and perfect for little hands. Crafted by Townley Girl, this set is specially designed for girls aged 13 and above. It's a fantastic way to explore makeup safely and creatively. What we like. This set provides a complete glam experience for beauty enthusiasts. If you are looking for a sophisticated makeup kit for older girls, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for teens who love glitter and a full beauty routine. What people say. Number 3. Townley Girl Disney Frozen Super Sparkly Kids Makeup Set. Unleash your inner princess with this enchanting beauty kit. It's designed for young fans to explore their creativity safely. This set includes delightful lip gloss, charming nail stickers, and a soothing lip balm. Everything a little one needs for a touch of sparkle. Beyond makeup, it also comes with cute clips and a stylish purse. These additions complete the magical transformation. Ideal for girls aged 3 and up, this kit makes a wonderful present. They will adore expressing themselves with their favorite Frozen characters. Created by Townley Girl, this super sparkly set ensures safe play. It's a fantastic way for them to enjoy imaginative beauty. What we like. This beauty kit is packed with super sparkly fun and extra accessories. If you have a younger child who loves dress up and imaginative play, this is ideal. It's great for gentle introduction to beauty and creative expression. What people say. Number 2. Lily's Home Kids Flashing Timer Toothbrush, Unicorn. Struggling to get your kids to brush their teeth? This innovative toothbrush makes oral hygiene an exciting adventure for little ones. It's designed to transform daily routines into a joyful experience. Say goodbye to guesswork. It features a built-in flashing timer that guides children through the dentist-recommended 2 minutes of brushing. This ensures a thorough clean every time. Designed with your child's delicate gums in mind, it boasts extra soft bristles. These provide a gentle yet effective cleaning, protecting their developing teeth. This thoughtful kit includes a rising cup and a protective cover. These accessories keep it hygienic and organized, making it perfect for home or travel. Specifically crafted for children and toddlers, it encourages good habits from an early age. Its engaging design and features make brushing something they'll look forward to. Beyond its functionality, it comes in a delightful unicorn design that kids adore. This playful touch adds extra fun to their daily routine. What we like. This unique toothbrush makes brushing exciting and effective. If you are looking for a way to encourage consistent dental hygiene, this is a fantastic tool. It's perfect for toddlers who need a fun incentive to brush for 2 minutes. What people say. Number 1. Love her Disney Frozen 2 Elsa headband. Introducing the enchanting Love Her Disney Frozen 2 Elsa headband. It's the perfect accessory for any young fan of the beloved movie. This beautiful headband features a stylish thick knot design. It's adorned with sparkling diamonds, adding a touch of magic to any outfit. Designed specifically for girls, this accessory brings the magic of Elsa to life. Your little one will feel like a true ice queen wearing it. It's more than just a headband, it's a delightful hair accessory. It helps keep hair neatly in place while adding a fashionable flair. This product is suitable for children aged 3 and above. It's crafted with care, ensuring comfort and durability for young users. Give her the gift of enchantment with this lovely item. It's sure to bring a smile to her face and add sparkle to her day. What we like. This elegant headband adds a touch of frozen magic to any outfit. If you like subtle, stylish hair accessories with character flair, this is a great pick. It's ideal for completing an outfit or showing off a love for Elsa. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source input. Therefore, no specific points about the Frozen Beauty Kit can be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.